Solve by factorizing the equation 6 cos theta tangent theta minus 3 cos theta plus 4 tangent theta minus 2 equals 0 for theta in between 0 and 180 degrees. From the restriction, we know that the solution should be either in quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. There are 4 terms to this equation. When we are asked to solve by factorizing, when we see 4 terms, try to factor by grouping. You have 4 tangent theta and 6 cos theta tangent theta. From these two, we can factor 2 tangent theta. So we may as well rearrange this and write these 2 terms together. We have 6 cos theta tangent theta plus 4 tangent theta minus 3 cos theta minus 2 equals 0. Since we have tangent theta, and we can also factor out the 2, we have 2 tangent theta, and from here we have 3 cos theta plus 2. Now you will notice 3 cos theta and 2. For the remaining 2 terms, we can factor a negative 1, and we also have 3 cos theta plus 2 equals 0. You can see that 3 cos theta plus 2 are common. So we factor 3 cos theta plus 2, and we have 2 tangent theta minus 1 equals 0. We set each of these to 0 and solve for theta. From this first term here, 3 cos theta plus 2 equals 0. 3 cos theta is negative 2, or cos theta is negative 2 over 3. The ratio is negative. Cos is negative in either quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. But since your solution must be either in quadrant 1 or 2, forget about the quadrant 3. You must find a theta in quadrant 2 so that cos theta is negative. We need to find a reference angle in this case. We have inverse cos of 2 over 3, and that reference angle is 48.2 degrees. In quadrant 2, we have 180 degrees minus 48.2 degrees. That is 131.8 degrees. That is one of the solutions from the first part here. From the second part, we set 2 tangent theta minus 1 to 0, so that 2 tangent theta is 1. Or tangent theta is 1 over 2. This is a positive ratio. Tangent is positive in either quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. Your solution should either be in quadrant 1 or 2. That is out. Tangent theta in quadrant 1, we do not need a reference angle. We just find the inverse tangent. Since it is a quadrant 1 angle, and that is inverse tangent of 1 over 2. That gives us a value of 26.6 degrees.